Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at enCore Energy. It is time for another update, and today I actually decided to move on a different exchange, since on the Nasdaq we actually had very different price ranges depending on the actual time frame. And yeah, I moved here to the Toronto Stock Exchange, so we will be dealing with CAD on this chart right now. And it doesn't change much in terms of the actual interpretations because I can actually track all the same scenarios. So here we have a potential large leading diagonal to form to the upside with a 1-2 setup, a third wave up, fourth wave down, and then a fifth wave that could be developing within this area. We also have the possibility to track this as a wave 1, a wave 2 here, an A, B, C structure. We also have the possibility to track a series of 1-2 setups in this area, and even here another 1-2. In the end, all of these would have a very similar area of support, yeah, pretty much on top of what we have right now in the green interpretation, and it will have reached the area of support in all these scenarios, and the last level would still be very similar here to the 61.8% retracement for the green interpretation down to the $5 level. And here, as long as we hold that level, we can actually still continue to track potential continuation higher. And what we will indeed focus on is such an idea where we have here an internal potential 1-2 setup, and in the previous video we were actually considering that the wave 1 may have already formed a more significant top. We were looking for a potential internal 1-2 setup, part of a larger wave 3, but clearly that has failed. We have only managed to create a 3-wave move to the upside within this area, and at the moment I actually prefer that we track this as a singular wave 1 to the upside in, or as a leading diagonal. And in this case, we have the area of support for a wave 2 correction between the $3.5 all the way down to the $2 level at the 78.6% retracement, where as long as we hold the last level of support, we can still look with decent likelihood for continuation higher. Now, in terms of resistance, we already broke all the most relevant levels that would suggest we should expect continuation within a larger correction, and this suggests that we should even more likely expect a larger movement to the upside to occur. Now, this doesn't need to be a wave 3, this could be building a larger ABC movement. In the end, we will have to be patient because, again, on this chart there are very many interpretations and the structure is quite messy. It's not too nice, it's not a very high quality chart. And for that reason is also not one of the charts that we have been focusing on, like the energy fuels chart, the new scale power chart, which all have much more potential. Even the red cat chart, which has formed quite a nice structure to the upside, raised 80% from the last level of support we provided, and even had a potential 1-2 setup that allowed to continue higher, not necessarily within that structure, but still allowed a 60% increase from the last level in the wave 2 correction. Now, with this said, we are still here on this chart right now, we are still covering it, and within this area, within this wave 2, we technically have a possible correction complete. I could be tracking this as something like an ABC structure to the downside, in which case I wouldn't need any additional lows to consider a bottom in place, but we actually formed another low within this area. Now, unfortunately, this doesn't fit too well in a complete correction in a wave 2. It could technically work out, but in this case, I might actually even prefer a reset within this wave 2 correction. Now, again, this isn't mandatory. It could work out as something like a WXY structure, but we need to be very much prepared for further extension within this correction in a wave 2. And surely enough, this structure, this chart that didn't necessarily participate with as much strength in the rally that has been seen along many of the stocks that we have been tracking. And right now, yeah, I would prefer something like an ABC movement where the wave B could have already topped, but we could also see a larger correction. Yeah, this could form something like a larger ABC movement that could take us to decent highs within this area of resistance between the $4 all the way up to the $5.2 level, where in the end, if we do manage, however, to break the last level of resistance, the 78.6% retracement, in a sustained manner, we may be looking with higher probabilities for continuation higher. But right now, yeah, the pressure remains down. I would still prefer to continue lower, and if we want, we can even track here a potential 1-2 setup internally that could take us and form a 5-wave move to the downside, although not needed. This could form just a WXY. And the main point is that we can track here an internal area of resistance that could take us realistically lower, and we haven't yet pushed through those levels yet. And we need to still be aware that, yeah, this could prove difficult to break. We may get stuck here at the 78.6% retracement, the $4 level, very much the exact level as the 38.2% retracement for the larger area of resistance in yellow. And even though this wave B may extend, it doesn't need to, and we may be in the large wave C already, for which we can even get an ideal target here. And yeah, if we are looking at such a structure, I would be looking at the 100% extension of the initial wave down, and that would be the $2.3 level. Although again, we don't need to get there, and we certainly don't need to stop there. This structure could extend even much further and could stop even sooner. Yeah, for example, we also have some structural support here at the 50% retracement. We may form only an internal ABC in this area and form a bottom sooner rather than later. But in the end, until I actually get evidence that this structure gets, or this area gets broken, I do prefer continuation lower to form a reset of this wave 2 in white. And for now, these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.